Welcome back to the Blue Garage, guys. I'm Greg. Just had a little fun shooting, as you guys saw. But today is a special day to me, September 11th, 2025. 24 years after the tragic events on September 11th, 2001. Big reason why I'm in Yuma. A big reason as to why I joined the Marine Corps back in January 2008. So it's dragged me all across the country, all across the world, but eventually brought me right here to Yuma, Arizona, which I love and I'm very grateful for. September 11th, 2001 is a day I'll never forget. It's a day many of you will never forget. And it's a day that's very special to me. And paying remembrance to all the lives that were lost means a lot to me every September 11th that passes. So today, pretty simple video that we got going on. Didn't partner up with them. I've been debating on doing this for a while. Badflag.com. Got my own flag. I think I ordered it on the 4th of July, so obviously I couldn't have it on the truck then. But what better day than September 11th to install that on the truck and pay some honor to the lives that were lost on that day. So without further ado, let's get it on the truck, guys. All right, now let's get to the unboxing. Bad Flag. Made the mistake, I'll explain here in a second. I ordered everything thinking it came with a flag.
No way.
No way, dude. What the However, I was wrong. So bad on me. So we got a flag locally so we can get that flag up there for September 11th. So pretty cool, guys. This is the flagpole, obviously, and the suction cups. They have a little protection you can put on there, keep them from getting dusty, which is definitely important out here in the middle of the desert. You can go to the side of your truck or the window. I'm gonna go, kind of thinking back window. We'll do some test fits here. A flag from a local shop here, so we'll get it up there. Got some hardware. You can put the hardware on right now. This cool keychain. Some spare hardware there as well. These are going to slide onto the flagpole. Keep it high up there. I just got a 3x5. And after I get the flag on here, which since I don't want to drag it on the ground and be disrespectful, I'll figure out, I'll mount the pole on the vehicle first, then the flag. So let's get started, let's get it where we need to, and I'll finish the fine tuning and adjustments. Should be pretty simple, guys. We'll get it on the vehicle. I'm actually going to do it on the side of the vehicle. I know I said I wasn't going to, but I think it'd be too high if I went up on the window. So pretty easy right here. I'm going to find somewhere where it's kind of level. We'll just go right here. So the suctions, the way they work is there's a little button here. You can typically see like a white head on there. Obviously you can't now because it's suctioned or adhered to the vehicle. It's not going anywhere. I'm tugging on it pretty hard. But you just pump it until basically you can't see the white anymore and you can't pump it anymore. But yeah, as you can tell, I'm tugging on it pretty hard. It's not going anywhere. And that was not spare hardware. It's actually hardware to keep the flagpole where you want it. Is a flathead screwdriver. For that. And the flag. For a flag, I'll climb up. That way, again, I don't drop the flag in the dirt. Just tightening the flag on first, that way I can adjust the bottom mount after. Cool, that's done. And flip this around, make sure we're not all twisted and tangled up. Good, guys. Perfect. It's taking it the opposite direction, but as I get driving, as you guys will see right now, it'll look good. Could have probably even suctioned it a little higher too on the vehicle in hindsight. Maybe I do that in the future, but yeah, let's take it on a test run, see how it looks. Pretty fun. Man, I haven't tested the peak suspension in quite some time. That was about 40 miles per hour, hitting all the whoops like it was nothing. It was a great time. Never forget 9/11, guys. Don't forget the people in 9/11. Get the flag, fly that flag proudly. Looks awesome. And I mean, that thing's not going anywhere. I can tug on that and it shakes the whole truck. So nice and secure, bad flag for the win. Guys, that is a wrap. Had an awesome time out here in the desert, as I always do. Probably not as much as I should. It's only, what, 100 degrees, 98 degrees today, so very cool day here in Yuma. We're used to about 110 all the time, where you shouldn't run the truck in that type of heat. Chance to overheat. Anyways, bad flag for the win. Again, flying this flag proudly for 9/11, remembering those who gave the ultimate sacrifice, fighting for our country as well. So very happy to have this on the truck. This shows how strong these suction cups are. And if you want to take it off, all you do is just peel it off, put it back on. You got to pump it until you can't see the white anymore. Pretty simple. It's not going anywhere, guys. Go get your bad flag. Don't have a discount code for you. I went and paid myself for this. So hey, love the product, recommend it to anybody out there that wants to fly their flag proudly. So that's a wrap, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that like button, and tune in next time. Remember, 9/11.